Hello, Sunny Fam, and welcome to your 10-minute beginner jump rope. Now, if you're looking for more confidence in your workout, then this is the place for you. All right, you guys, so we're gonna start off with our jump rope. First thing is you wanna make sure you have enough room for your jump rope. So we're sizing up our jump rope. Really easy way to do that is for my beginners, for a beginner rope out, you wanna start with a little bit of length. So both feet are gonna be on the rope, right? Feet are gonna be directly under the hips, and you want your jump rope to at least touch where your armpits are. That ensures that you have enough room for that rope to get around, and we're just gonna practice getting over that rope, okay? But for now, let's do a little bit of dynamic stretching. You just could just drape that rope right across that sexy neck of yours, and I just want you to take a knee up, give your ankle a nice little roll, take the other knee up and do the same thing. We gotta get those ankles and feet primed because we're going to be jumping up and down off of them, right? Let's do that again. Good. This is so important to do because it's a lot of footwork when you're using the jump rope, right? It's footwork, it's wrist, and you're holding the core ultra tight. All right, now from here, we're just going to do up and down on the toes. So if you see me come up on my toes, back down, rock it to the heels and toes up, right? So you're gonna feel a little bit off balance there, but that's okay. Just lean the body forward, back and forth on those toes, heels, toes, good. Flexing into the quads, keeping the core nice and tight. Come up as high as you can on those toes for me, yes? Oh yeah. All right, you're gonna love the next ones. They look silly. Actually, I think they look rather cool, but it's all good. Let's stand with those feet right underneath the hips, okay? We're gonna start with our knee rolls. So what a knee roll looks like is you're taking those knees in a circle. Good, you can have hands on hips, or you can hold on to that rope however you want, and then switch directions, same thing. It looks silly, huh? It's not, it actually is cool. Okay, same thing, but in the hips, so get those hips moving. Good, big, big circles in the hips, and then opposite direction. Good, hold that core in tight while you're doing this. Nice, now what you're gonna do, I want you to stand feet apart, put your weight onto one hip or one leg, and then ankle circle. Again, ankle circles, yes, we're getting them ready and primed. And then switch, alternate your weight onto the other leg, and then back and forth again, or opposite direction, circles. Good, and then now we are into the shoulders. We're gonna do some shoulder passers. I just have my rope, I'm holding it in half. I'm a little bit more than shoulder width apart. Now, if you're super flexy, you can have those arms right in front of your shoulders like that, okay? Just back and forth, getting the shoulders nice and loose, chest is open, and also core is tight. We're just getting ready. Some of us are just jumping back into fitness, so you gotta make sure that that body is primed and ready to go so you don't get hurt. All right, so just practicing our basic, they call it skipping, jumping, bouncing, whatever you want to do. So we're just going to practice getting over the rope. When you start with a jump rope, you're nice and tall. Feet are apart, rope starts behind you, okay? You're just going to take that rope over and jump over. That's it, one at a time. Some of us don't know how to jump rope, okay? So we're just going to get ready, jump over, okay? Now, once you get that down, and if that's all you have, I want you to stay there. Once you get that down, we're gonna practice jumping with a jump in between. And what that looks like is very basic. It's jump, jump, little pods in between. So some people like to do the double jump like that, or you could jump and jump. Watch that rope as it comes right in front of you. Once that rope hits about a foot in front of you, that's when you start your jump, okay? You're jumping straight up and your hands stay right at the side of your body. Okay, so we're still right there, nice and basic. Pause, pause, or jump. And see, I'm adding that jump right in between every single time I skip over that rope. Good, stay right here. Nice. Good, now you have this down. Now we're gonna practice moving laterally with our bounce. Okay, so it's up, or left, right, left, right. Good, you have that, you're already a pro. Good, keep it up. Bam, take your rest. Inhale and exhale. Good, now we're going to get rid of that pause in between each skip. And we're gonna try to do our what's called single unders, okay? It's here. A little bit faster. So what you're doing is right when your feet hit the floor, you're jumping up. It's almost like the floor is lava. You want a little bit of less time on the floor, more air time. Okay, so that takes a lot of cardio and a lot of core. What we're going to do is we're gonna go single foot steps, okay? So it's single. Switch. And switch, okay? So we're gonna go 5 and 5. Single right, 5, single left, 5. Ready, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done. Sweet. All right. Now, slow jumping, basic jumping. Basic jump. Slow. Basic. Slow. I already messed up. Here we go. Slow. Good. You got it. All right. Now, combo moves. Combo moves is everything I showed you. Side to side, single, single, fast, slow. All right, we're gonna do it in that order. Here we go. We're gonna start with our 2 warm-up jumps. Side, 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 single, 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 single. Try that again. Side, side, single, 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 single. Here we go. Side, 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 single, 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 side, 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 single, single, side, side, single, single. Good. Side, side, single, single. Good. All right, so you can combine anything together. You can make jump rope as easy and as fun as you want. All right. Now we're going to add them all in together. Slow, fast, and then we'll go over a crisscross. That's not beginner, but it's something fun that I want you to try once you get the rope under you, okay? Here we go. Singles. Good, now we're gonna go side, side, and then we're gonna do something called bunny slopes. Single and then side. Now bunny slopes is like side to side, but you're showing me your pocket. Pocket. Good, and that's gonna get the obliques, okay? Good, now crisscross, all we do is cross. Cross. Good. You wanna make sure the arms stay long in the cross. Good. And with your jump rope, you can add all of those flavors, all of those moves all together when you're jump roping, all right? Now we're going to cool down, but before that, let's put a combo move together for a little freestyle. Let's do singles, we'll do crossovers, we'll do bunny jumps, and single legs, everything we learned today. And we're gonna add back and forth jumping as well, all right? So I'll call it out, you can do it. If you wanna do your own thing, do your own thing. Let's see if we can last for a minute straight, starting in 3, 2, and 1. Singles, crisscross, good, side to side, nice, back and forth, nice, single leg, good, jumping singles, nice, bunny slopes, nice, side to side. We got 30 more seconds to go. Singles, crisscross and singles. Ready, crisscross, single. Oh, I messed up, darn it. Keep going, jump back in. Good work. Singles, side to side. 10 more seconds. Crisscross, side to side. 5 more seconds. Back and forth. Run it. Good, and relax. Nice work. That was your minute challenge. We're now gonna go into our little cool down, just breathing. Good. I'm gonna take that rope up. Inhale, exhale. Let's go to one side. Inhale, exhale, other side. Nice. Jump rope is such a great workout. Build your way up when it comes to duration and adding time to your jump rope. Give yourself a minute challenge. Try to jump rope for a minute, then 90 seconds, and then 2 minutes. Good. Let's dig that heel down. Toe is up. Come down, stretch out that hamstring. breathe. And then also practice those moves. If there was a move that was particularly hard for you, practice that. Jump rope is supposed to be fun. Make it fun. Fitness is supposed to be for everyone. So practice what you don't have, practice those weaknesses, and have fun with it. Thank you so much for working out with me today. And if you liked this workout, please hit the like button and make sure to subscribe and hit that bell to stay updated on our new workouts every week. Feel free to leave a comment and let us know how you did and if you want to see more workouts like this. If you've enjoyed this workout, I invite you to follow me on the SunnyFit app. There, you'll find more classes from me. I am on the cycle, I am on the rowers, and I also teach dumbbells. Plus, many more from all of our awesome Sunny trainers. If you haven't downloaded the SunnyFit app yet, click the link in the description below.